Okay, so this is of this form, so little p of t is this, right? Well, if little p of t is this, little p of t is big P prime of t, so big P of t is an antiderivative of little p of t, which then equals antiderivative of 2 over t, right? So that's 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of t plus an integration constant. Did y'all remember the integration constant?
No.
Maybe not.
Well, you got a solution, you just didn't get the general solution.
Right.
Okay? So, you know, I kind of expected, you know, in the booming, buzzing confusion of this brand new thing here, that you might have forgotten that. Okay? But of course, we do get the integration constant. Your general solution then is y equals e to the big P of t, right? Which is e to the natural log of the absolute value of t plus c. Okay? Yes?
I have a question. When you multiply like terms, you can add the exponents, right? So could you have e to the natural log of t and then e to the c?
Yeah?
Okay, and that would just be some constant as well, right?
Yeah? What can you say about that
Can you
constant?
just move that down in front of e?
Well, what could you say about the constant that you get when you do that? And then I'll catch everybody else up on what you're saying. Because that's the next thing I was going to say anyway, but I'd rather you say it.
So it would be any multiple of y? Or,
Not quite, but stay with us. Because what Lane just said is very good, okay? That this is equal then to e to the c times e to the natural log of the absolute value of t, right?
Is there supposed to be a 2 in there, right?
Huh?
Isn't there supposed to be a 2 in the with the natural log? 2 times?
Ah, yeah, if you want to be that way.
Okay.
Sounded like you said there should be a T with that.
Right.
So I was wondering about your sanity, but I knew that that wasn't a problem. Okay? Okay? So we can certainly do this. Now what can you say about e to the c? What values could e to the c have?
any value?
Huh?
Anything, right? Depending on what C is.
Anything but 0?
Well, c could be any number. Well, it can't be 0, can it?
Right.
E to the c can't be 0. Okay? Anything else it can't be?
Can't be negative.
Negative.
Can't be negative. Okay? Very good. So that equals A, and I'm just using A arbitrarily, but we often use that for our constant when we do this. And A has to be greater than 0. Okay? Now what about that e to the 2 natural log of t, or e to the 2 natural log of absolute value of t? What can you do with that?